This is the Ford GT Racer 68. This is a scale model of the newest incarnation of Ford's fastest flagship ever. Designed to beat European supercar manufacturers, Ford entered their first GT in the famous Le Mans race in 1966 and won. This particular livery is available in digital 124 and 132 scale and comes with fully functioning headlights, taillights, and a visible interior. It also includes twin contact brushes and high downforce magnets for maximum grip in the corners. You can find this car at your favorite Carrera retailer.